Hey everybody, Gray Lego City here, and I'm here to give you 5 quick tips when you're starting out in drones. First of all, you've probably heard this one before, but remove your props. You don't want to lose a finger, because it's pretty hard to fly a drone without a thumb, or an index finger, or a middle finger. Maybe not a pinky though. Number 2, it's not a toy. This thing can seriously hurt somebody. It's not a toy. You're throwing a lot of weight around it. Number 3, get a decent controller. You can buy a cheap controller that is still pretty nice if you're going for like FrSky or something. Like $100 gets you a very nice controller. So don't skimp and get some off-brand $50 controller that you're going to regret buying, and you're going to buy a different one later anyway. Number 4, don't fly farther than you can see. And it normally helps to have somebody next to you that's spotting you so that you don't get too close to some building or fly next to some power lines and lose your drone, because carbon fiber is very conductive. Number 5, if you can, go to some abandoned field that nobody ever visits and fly as hard as you possibly can, because you will never get better if you never go farther than you have at that point. And second, you really need to fly in a place where nobody is, because you could easily hurt somebody. Hey everybody, if you liked the video, please click subscribe, because I'll be coming out with videos every Thursday. See you next time.